I wish I had something to play with. Whoa, what's this? It's Hexbug. And it's called the Micro Titans.
Hey!
RC Brawler Box.
I'm Cax.
Oh. Wait, we're recording. Okay, I'm going to try to put his channel link in the description. So go down below and go see his channel and subscribe to it. Please. And it's the vortex set. It has 2 of these little knights.
Whatever happened
Right
to your new
here
mask?
and here. What do you mean?
Whatever happened to your new mask?
Oh, I lost it.
Oof.
I'm gonna go switch my mask.
Hey, I'm Cax.
You didn't put that.
Ha ha ha.
Okay. So this is 1 minute already.
Hi, I'm Cax.
Hold on. Energy core. Press your champions. Okay, this is gonna take a while to read. Because I have to read this, and this.
Let's just skip all that
And all
mumbo
of
jumbo.
this.
We'll read it. Okay.
Okay, so I have these scissors, but be careful when using scissors or other sharp objects. You could end up cutting yourself. Okay. Now I'm gonna.
Hi, I'm Cax.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, so let's see.
Oh, whoa! I don't know if you can see inside, but there's some cool stuff in here. We'll do a battle with this because it looks like oh, here's a battle arena. It's about the size of my head.
Let's take out the figures.
Also, this is my mouse pad right here.
It's hard to take out the mini figures.
I'll take them out.
Okay. 2 hours later.
What the heck?
2 million years later.
Also, guys, we're actually working on a film for Jurassic World.
Yeah.
It's a mini movie.
So be sure to check that out.
Once we upload it, this doesn't want to come out. Guys, I think we may have to do this video in 2 parts because these will not come out. What the heck? Oh, there's tape.
No tape. Bad tape. Bad. Bad.
Bad.
Go into the timeout corner.
I'm gonna have to get my scissors in here. And again, be careful with scissors or any other sharp objects. I think this video might be long. It might take a while to upload for you guys. Yeah, this is 4 minutes.
Bad tape. Bad.
Yeah, I think we might have to cut this out in a part 2 video soon.
We'll
get it
skip
out.
that actually.
We're gonna do a part 2. Bye.
Bye. Have a
Visit
good
our
day.
next video.